In a mysterious facility, workers use heavy probes and silent conveyor belts to handle something that looks like candy, but nothing about it feels sweet. To maintain production efficiency, layers of thick, rubbery sugar are heated in vats of syrup, the same way pigskin might be softened. The hardened material melts slowly as the syrup reaches the ideal temperature. Once ready, the strange mixture is moved to an isolated workstation, supervised by masked operators. Next, the vehicle carrying the syrup, dubbed PC's Candy Spring, is brought in. From above, a strange protrusion emerges, resembling a small tumor, and the translucent substance begins to pulse. Workers gently place rows of candy onto a specially engineered board designed for maximum support. After 5 silent minutes, a layer of white syrup and foam peanut butter is added. It coats the substance like skin, leaving no room for questions. The operator then activates a rolling mechanism, fusing the sticky syrup with a baby batch. Everything is tracked by barcode. What follows is a moment of eerie calm. 3 minutes later, strange patterns emerge on the surface of the product, reminiscent of veins or eyes. These are separated and transferred through a tunnel system that reconfigures them into individual units. In the final stage, the strange infections are coated with milk tea-colored glaze and blown dry with industrial air jets. As the excess glaze is removed, a faint scent of burnt sugar and bleach fills the air. Now, the only task remaining is to arrange them in the final packaging form. No one knows what exactly they are, but they are not refused entry into boxes. Not anymore.